Migao mar somo yango ni sirkal onge kod nyalo mar miyo jopuonjre somo manono e mbalariany. Kanoduoko penjo e nyim komiti mar od bura mar somo, jata tije mar bad migao mochung'ne siro somo jopuonjre mag mbalariany miluongo ni Geoffrey Monari olero ni mondo sirkal omiyo jopuonjre somo manono nyaka mbalariany, piny owacho koro dhi tiyo kod omenda maromo bilion 900 higa ka higa. Monari wacho ni mano dhi bedo matek ne sirkal kaluwore gi chal mar uchumi masani.
I come from an area where we experience so much challenge.
Thank you, Chair. Number two.
In my honest view is that it is going to be very difficult to have free university education, and that is why the new funding model moves towards equity. This is the reason, it's because of the affordability, the actual costs of funding this. We have done a simulation and we have seen that we require 900 billion shillings, which is, if you look at even the Kenyan budget, in the next 5 years to provide free university education.
It is a very, very important tool in the job you're doing. In fact, some of these misnomer we're seeing, anomalies, will be addressed through the software. So could you, through the chair, tell this committee when you're going to invest in a proper software that will make, and linked also to the other organizations you work with, so that we've got a tool that helps us in effective and efficiently managing our data.
If you cannot have a proper tracking system, how will you be able to know that this is a needy student, this is the one who qualifies for this category, this one qualifies for this category, if we cannot deal with this issue, which is much simpler? Because the scholarship issue is much more difficult and much more